Hey first grade friends, we're going to work on some math problems together. I'm going to show you a new way to organize your base 10 blocks when you draw them to help you make a little bit more sense out of it. So I have a problem here, 26 plus 30, and I'm going to show you how to draw this organizer. So I'm going to make a big T-chart, just like this. And right here at the top, I'm going to put a T, and that's for tens because I'm going to draw the tens on this side. And I'm going to put an O here, and that's for ones because I'm going to draw the ones here. So when I get ready to add these numbers, I'm going to draw them with base 10 blocks first. So first, I'm going to build the number 26, and I'm going to count it as I write it. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I've got this number built. Now, I need to add 30 to 26, so I need to build the number 30. 10, 20, 30. So now I have it all drawn out, and now I can add it together a little bit easier. So I'm going to look in my ones column, and all I have are these ones that I drew from 26. Now I know there's 6 there because I just drew that, so I don't have to count them. If you can't remember, go ahead and count them, but I know that's 6 because I just drew it. So I'm going to put the number 6 down here at the bottom. I know there's 6 ones there. Now I'm going to add my tens together. Now I have some tens from each one of these numbers. I have 2 tens here and 3 tens here, so I need to add those together. I can count them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you might just know that 2 plus 3 is 5. So I have 5 tens here. Now I have my tens place here, 5 tens, and so that's 50, and 6 ones. So I know my answer is 56. It's a little bit easier when you draw it out in this organizer, and that way you don't get your tens and your ones confused. Another way you can do it, you can pull up a hundreds chart online. This is a 120 chart. I just pull it up on the internet. There's lots of them there. And you can go ahead and find your first add-in, 26. And then I'm going to add 30, which is 3 tens. Now I know for each 10, we just go down one row. So here's 26. I'm going to add 3 tens. 36, 46, 56. So you can kind of check your work here and make sure you're right. That's another way you can do it. You can also draw a number line if you want. You could start at 26 or 30. I'm going to start at 26. And since I have 3 tens, I'm going to make 3 hops of 10. 1, 2, 3. Now each hop is like doing 10 ones. So 26 plus 10 is 36, plus 10, 46, plus 10 is 56. And of course that matches the answer I got before. So I'm going to give you another one to do, and then I want you to pause the video and do it, and then we'll look at it together. So I want you to work on 38 plus 40. So pause the video here. Go ahead and work on 38 plus 40, and you can come back in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and draw our graphic organizer with the T for the tens and the O for the ones. And I'm going to build my first number. My first number is 38. 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. My second add-in here is 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I can add up my ones on this side, and I can add up my tens on this side. Now again, I know there's 8 ones there because I just drew it. So it's a lot more efficient if I just say 8. But if you need to count those, you can. 8 ones. And I'm going to add up my tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you might say the more efficient way is to start with the larger number and add up. So I know there are 7 tens there. My answer is 78. Another way you could sort of think about this is you have 3 tens plus 4 tens. 3 tens is 30, plus 4 tens is 40, and then you still have to add your ones. So then you can add your 8. So you can think of it in this way too. Once you add your tens together, that's 70. And then you add your ones is 78. And that matches there. Again, you can go back to your hundreds chart and double check. Here is 38, and we'll do 4 hops of 10, or we'll go down 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, might have to scroll down just a little bit. And that's 78 also. All right, let's do one more. I'm gonna give you one more problem, and then you can pause it again and work on it on your own, and then come back to me and compare what you have to what I have. The problem is 60 plus 22. So you'll draw your organizer with your 10s and your 1s. And go ahead and pause the video here and do it on your own, and then come back and press play. So I'm going to go ahead and build my number. If you notice, I have my numbers kind of switched where I have 1s on this side and not this side, but you're still going to do it the same way. So here is 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I don't have any 1s in this first number, so I don't need to draw anything there. And then I'm going to build my 22, 10, 20, 21, 22. And I'll go ahead and add up these numbers. My 1s are really easy this time. I don't have to even think about that. I know I have 2 1s, and that makes sense because I don't have any 1s here and I have 2 here. Now I'm going to add up my 10s. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 10s. 8 10s and 2 1s is 82. Again, you can think of it as adding 6 10s plus 2 10s, and then you still have your 1s here, plus 2 1s. 60 plus 20 is 80, plus your 2 1s, oops, is 82. And you can always check back on your hundreds chart just to check it. So I'll include a couple more of these you can practice on. If you have any questions, you can send me a message, and I'll help you with it, or you can give me a call. Talk to you later. Bye.